Is Riley, and today I'll be talking to you about Arctic wolves. First of all, Arctic wolves are thought to have been on Earth for 5 million years. They have thick double coats that help them stay warm in the bitter cold. Packs can have up to 20 wolves. Arctic wolves can run 40 miles per hour. Also, did you know you are more likely to be stomped on by a herd of cows than killed by a wolf? I hope you enjoyed learning about Arctic wolves.
Hi, my name is Serena, and today I'm going to be telling you about the bald eagle. Did you know that the bald eagle has 2 eyelids, and when it blinks, it only closes one of them so it can still see? The bald eagle has a lifespan of up to 50 years. The bald eagle's nest can weigh up to 3 tons and is made out of only twigs, pine straw, and leaves. The female bald eagles are larger than the males. The bald eagle can dive up to 99 miles per hour and fly up to 75 miles per hour. I have a fun fact I'd like to share. Did you know that in 2016 there were only 50 nesting pairs of bald eagles in the U.S. and now in 2017 it increased to 148 nesting pairs.
Hello, my name is Lily and my animal is the Arctic fox. The Arctic fox can eat any meat it can find. The Arctic fox diet consists mostly of lemmings and eggs of various types. The Arctic fox is white, but when raised in captivity, it is sometimes black. The Arctic foxes only live 3 to 4 years in the wild. Arctic foxes only weigh 21 pounds as a full-grown male and 7.5 pounds as a full-grown female.
Hello, my name is Samuel, and today I'll be telling you about the proboscis monkey. First off, a proboscis monkey lives in Borneo, Indonesia. Second, a proboscis monkey enlarges its stomach to digest leaves. Third, the females do not have a big nose like the male proboscis monkeys. Fourth, a proboscis monkey is born with black fur and a blue face and grows orange fur and a white face. Fifth, a proboscis monkey has webbed feet to walk on water. I hope you like proboscis monkeys as much as I do.
Hi, my name is Paisley, and I'm going to be talking about the sea turtles. Sea turtles live in tropical and subtropical ocean waters and lands. The predators of the green sea turtles are killer whales, sharks, and humans. Green sea turtles can eat 50 pieces of algae at one time. They can stay underwater for more than 5 hours long. The last important fact is that sea turtles lived on Earth for a very long time. They have been on Earth for 220 million years. I think that sea turtles are interesting. I hope you do too.
Hi, my name is Samar, and my animal is a cheetah. Cheetahs mostly live in Africa, and some still live in northern Niger and Iran. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. Did you know they can reach their top speed of 70 miles per hour in just 3 seconds? That's really fast. A cheetah's tail is flat, which helps it steer when making sharp turns. And did you also know that cheetahs have between 2,000 to 3,000 spots to help them blend in with the grass they live in? That's a lot of spots. And I know this fact is weird, but it's true, but cheetahs can chirp. One of cheetahs' main predators are poachers. Poachers are people who hunt animals. They're hunting cheetahs for their fur to make jackets and other types of clothing. We should save cheetahs, they're awesome.
Hi, my name is Sophia, and I'm talking about the snowy owl that lives in the Arctic tundra. Snowy owls are endangered. They are diurnal, which means they are awake all day. They eat rodents like lemmings and voles, which are mouse-like animals. And did you know it's illegal to hunt them? Also, an adult snowy owl can eat 3 to 5 lemmings per day. I'm doing the eastern gray squirrel. Eastern gray squirrels live mostly in don't live in Australia or Antarctica, but they can live in Australia. Eastern gray squirrels also can run up to 12.4 miles per hour. Eastern gray squirrels mate twice a year. Did you know that? Eastern gray squirrels can also make their front teeth never stop growing. And that's weird, isn't it? Eastern gray squirrels also purr like a cat. Sometimes, though. Eastern gray squirrels can also make messages with their tails to warn other squirrels that there's predators nearby. I hope you like squirrels as much as I do.
Hi, my name is Jalen and I'm going to tell you some facts about pandas. Pandas are a symbol of peace in China. Pandas eat up to 84 pounds of bamboo every day. Pandas have sharp claws to climb trees. Female pandas weigh 150 to 220 pounds and 99% of a panda's diet consists of bamboo. I hope you enjoyed some of these facts.
Hi, I'm Yusuf. Today I'm going to tell you about the polar bear that lives in the Arctic. Polar bears are the largest species of bears. They also do not hibernate. Did you know polar bears can clean themselves by rolling in the snow? And surprisingly, they are known to swim 60 miles a day without stopping. And they can run up to 25 miles per hour.
I'm going to talk about the fennec fox, and I'm going to tell you about some facts about the fennec fox. Did you know that the fennec fox's ears help them when they get too hot by releasing body heat from their veins in their ears? The fennec fox's predators are eagle owls, caracals, jackals, striped hyenas. The fennec fox is a mammal. It eats bugs and lizards. The fennec fox is about as big as a small cat. And lastly, the fennec fox is the smallest of all fox species. I think the fennec foxes are cute, and I hope you do too.
Hello, today I'll be telling you, my name is Omar. Today I'm going to tell you about the orangutan that lives in the tropical rainforest. Did you know that orangutans' aren't stretched longer than their whole bodies? That's over 7 feet. Another fact is that orangutans like to eat soap, and surprisingly it doesn't hurt their stomach. Orangutans are very smart and they know how to use tools. An orangutan is 7 times stronger than a full-grown human, and there's only 2 species of orangutans. I think an orangutan's a great animal. Do you?
My name is Adrian, and I'm going to talk about the penguin. Penguins can swim up to 22 miles per hour. Penguins have lived on Earth for 60 million years. That's a long time. Many penguins live in the South Hemisphere like Antarctica. Penguins can drink seawater. Some of the penguin's predators are bears, seals, and killer whales.
My name is Mia, and I'll be telling you about a cougar. A cougar lives throughout many different countries in states like California, Colorado, and Washington. A cougar can jump up to 18 feet from a sitting position. Cougars also leap up to 40 feet horizontally. Cougars do not roar. They make a noise like a human scream. It's found in almost every habitat, including forests, high mountains, and deserts. Most adult cougars die because of people hunting them. I think cougars are very interesting.
Hi, my name is Samantha, and I'll be talking about the Florida panther. The Florida panther is an endangered species, and there's only about 100 of them left. Their main predators are black bears and alligators, but the biggest threat to Florida panthers are humans. Humans hunt Florida panthers to make coats and other sorts of clothing. Did you know that Florida cubs have spots on the top of their heads and their sides? When they are 5, they start to lose their spots. I think that Florida panthers are amazing.
Hi, I'm Izzy, and today you'll be learning about giraffes. First off, did you know that giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour? And giraffes' favorite food is leaves and twigs. Giraffes' only predators are carnivores, which are lioness and many other meat eaters. Did you also know that giraffes' main habitat is the Saharan region of Africa? Last off, did you know that 15 years ago there was 140,000 giraffes in Africa, but now there is less than 80,000 giraffes left in the world from poachers, which are people that hunt animals. I hope you like my presentation.
All right, so now you guys can go ahead and take your spot.
Here's your